Hi, Badger. Hi, honey. Look how big Badger is. I love you. Badger's 4 years old. Look how huge he is. He's gotten more shy than what he used to be. Hi, sweetie. Look at that. I raised this raccoon. There's 2 of them. Badger remained a little more friendlier than Bandit. This is Badger. Hi, honey. You're so beautiful. He's so shy. Look how huge Badger is. You're huge. Hi. I love you. Yeah, I'm your mommy. Look at his tail. Badger, come here. I love you so much. November 25th, 2022. Tama T. in Indiana, United States. Badger. I love you. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Badger. Yeah, this is Badger. I can still pet him. Ooh, you got a beautiful winter coat. Yes, you do. Oh, Badger, I just love you so much. Tom and Badger. Tom is with her Badger. This is a teddy bear raccoon. He probably weighs 45 pounds. You didn't eat your sweet potato. Yeah. Sometimes you eat them, don't you? You don't like your lettuce. I just love this raccoon so much. I love him. This is Badger, and I'm Tama. Tama T. Yes. You're Mommy's big boy, aren't you? Huh? All right, signing off. Big tail. Big tail.